It's called Patient 31.
Patient 31.
And this story comes out of South Korea.
Okay.
Patient 31.
Okay.
35-year-old Chinese woman flew into South Korea.
Mm-hmm.
All right. She flew into South Korea feeling absolutely fine.
Okay.
On February 6th, she was in a minor car accident in South Korea.
Okay.
She took herself to the hospital and she was fine. No major accidents or bones broken or anything like that. However, she had a slight temperature, and they wanted to test her. She said, no, I'm fine. I'm not sick. I'm fine. I want to go. She left. Okay. She then attends church. She goes to church on February 9th and she goes to church on February 16th.
Okay.
Okay. Right after that, her symptoms started to come. All right. That's a long gap between her feeling fine.
Yeah.
And then the symptoms coming.
Yeah.
Doctors advise her to check immediately for the coronavirus. She gets tested and she's got it.
Oh, man.
Just prior to the testing, she went to a hotel and had a buffet lunch.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay? So she's gone to 2 churches.
Yep.
And she's now had a buffet lunch at a hotel, which so many people can do.
Yep.
Which is just a regular day. 2 days, she gets all the symptoms, and they officially make her patient 31 in South Korea.
Right.
Her alone, that one person, patient 31, created approximately 60% of all cases in South Korea.
60%?
60 stem from patient 31.
Who was a 35-year-old woman who said she felt fine.
Who was, went on with her day.
And went to all the places.
1,200 people were infected who were at the church. Those 2 masses.
Wow.
1,200 got infected, right?
From her.
From her. And then some of them went to her funeral. So infected the people at the funeral. And it was a domino effect.
Well, of course, they all have families, friends.
So out of the total 8,897 infected in South Korea, this patient 31, unfortunately, created 5,382 of those.
That just blew my mind.
That is patient 31, and that is the story that we need to understand. So if you're meeting up with your friends at home, 4 or 5 of your friends are coming at home, if you were going to the parks, if you were at a beach in JBR today, and you may think, but I was doing social distancing. How did you get there? You walked, you may have touched a rail, you may have coughed, you may have done something. It takes one person.
Wow.
One person who feels absolutely fine to have it in their system and infect